Permaculture, a fusion of permanent and agriculture. It's a design system, a philosophy. It seeks to create sustainable human settlements. These settlements work with nature, not against it. Bill Mollison and David Holmgren pioneered permaculture in the 1970s. They observed a planet in distress. Conventional agriculture was depleting resources and polluting ecosystems. Permaculture emerged as a solution. At its core, permaculture emphasizes observation. By carefully observing nature, we can learn, adapt, and create systems that are both productive and harmonious with the environment. Imagine stepping into a forest where every step brings you closer to the heart of nature. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Birdsong fills the air, creating a symphony of natural sounds. A stream meanders through the undergrowth, its gentle flow a reminder of nature's persistence. This is nature's classroom, where every element has a lesson to teach. Before we alter, we must observe. Take in the sights, sounds, and smells. Spend time in the space you wish to cultivate. Let it speak to you. Watch how water flows after rain, tracing its path and understanding its journey. Note where sunlight falls throughout the day, observing the dance of light and shadow. Identify the plants and creatures that thrive there, each playing a role in the ecosystem. Every environment has its own unique patterns and rhythms, a delicate balance of life. By observing these, we gain invaluable insights into the workings of nature. We understand the land's strengths and its limitations, learning how to work with it. This knowledge is crucial for designing sustainable systems that harmonize with the natural world. Water is the lifeblood of our planet, essential for all living beings. Observe its flow across the land, nourishing ecosystems and shaping landscapes. Where does water collect after rainfall? In puddles, wetlands, and natural basins it gathers to sustain life. Are there areas prone to erosion? Water's powerful force can carve out gullies and reshape the land. Understanding water movement is essential for managing this precious resource. Farmers use irrigation and conservation techniques to optimize its use. Plants and animals are indicators of water's presence and quality. They reveal the health of the ecosystem. What species are present? What are their roles in this delicate balance? Their presence or absence can tell us a lot about the soil, climate, and overall biodiversity. Sunlight fuels life, driving photosynthesis and growth. Track the sun's path across the sky from dawn to dusk to understand its influence. Note how much sunlight different areas receive throughout the day and seasons. This affects plant growth and energy use. This understanding is crucial for positioning plants, buildings, and other elements for optimal energy efficiency, ensuring a sustainable future. Section 4. Applying observation practical examples in permaculture. Let's consider some practical examples. Imagine designing a garden from scratch. By observing water flow, you can create swales, which are shallow water harvesting ditches. These ditches slow down water, allowing it to soak into the soil, preventing erosion and nourishing plants. This method ensures that your garden remains lush and fertile. Observing plant and animal life can guide plant selection. Notice which plants attract beneficial insects and which ones deter pests. Choose species that naturally thrive in your area. Native plants are adapted to local conditions and require less maintenance. Encourage beneficial insects by planting companion plants. These plants work together to support each other's growth. This approach minimizes pests and promotes a healthy ecosystem. Beneficial insects like ladybugs help control aphid populations. Understanding sunlight patterns allows for strategic placement of plants and structures. Position buildings to maximize passive solar gain in winter, reducing heating costs and making your home more energy efficient. Design gardens with shade-loving plants in areas with less sunlight. This ensures that all parts of your garden are utilized effectively. This optimizes energy use and creates comfortable microclimates, making your garden a pleasant place to be year-round. Section 5. Conclusion. Observation, the cornerstone of sustainable living. Permaculture is more than a set of techniques. It's a way of thinking, a way of life. It begins with observation. By carefully observing our surroundings, we gain respect for natural systems. This understanding guides our actions. We design in harmony with nature, create systems that are both productive and regenerative. Observation is the key. By embracing the principles of observation, we can build a more sustainable future. A future where humans and nature thrive together.